Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, children. Welcome to Sanvi E-Learning Services, School at your fingertips. How are you, children? Yeah, very good. Have you had your lunch? No? So today we are going to discuss, the topic is worksheet 6, task 2. Worksheet 6, task 2. Physical Science, Class 8, Lesson 6, the reflection of light at curved surfaces. Worksheet 6, task 2. Aim to know about incidence and reflection. To know about incident and reflection. Laws of reflection. Agenda about angle of incident and angle of reflection. Laws of reflection. Keywords. Angle, duplicate, distance, reflection. ANGLE, angle, duplicate, 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 distance, 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 reflection, REFE, reflection, REFLECCICTION, reflection. Can anyone read? Srinidhi, only one word.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Angel, ANGLE.
Yes, good. Next, Srija.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Duplicate. DUPLICATE.
Yes, good. Anjana Vedatri, third one. Anjana Vedatri.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Distance. DISTANCE. Distance.
Good. Sai Shrikar. Reflection.
Madam, reflection or reflection?
Reflection. L-E.
REFLECTION, reflection.
Yeah, very good. Reflection. Next, see this diagram properly. To find the shortest distance. Actually, this is the one activity is there. In this activity, first of all, I will explain. Can anyone say what is incident and what is reflection? In the previous class, we have discussed about the basic points of incident, reflection, and normal loss of reflection also we have discussed. Can anyone say what is incident? Incident. Anyone? Incident, reflection, angle of incident, and angle of reflection. See, yes. 8th Sanvi 15. No name.
Good afternoon, madam.
Very good afternoon. Write your name, Amma.
Okay, madam. Madam, the incident ray means the ray of light, the beam of light which will directly fall on a surface.
Yeah, very good. Very
And
good.
reflection light means the ray of the beam of light which bounces from a surface.
Yes. From the incident part, which is a bouncing back, a ray back is known as a reflection. Very good.
That's-
Okay. Now here. See here, Amma. Actually, I'm taking one surface. I'm taking one surface. This is the one surface. The point, if you think that is a, and this is the second end point is a B. Okay. So here, the incident ray. The incident ray means here the incident ray. So from the beam of light, from the any, for example, from some sunlight, whatever it is, so beam of light, so this is always perpendicular to the surface. This is always 90 degrees. This is always 90 degrees. Okay. So this 90 degrees is a normal. This is called normal. This is the normal. So the beam of light from where it is falls on a surface, whether it is a sunlight or a torchlight, whatever it is, so that is a beam of light. So from the beam of light, one ray it is falls on a surface. One ray is fall on a surface. Is known as a incident ray. Is known as a incident ray, and incident ray is denoted by I. Incident ray is denoted by I. So this is incident ray. So from the incident ray, the ray, same ray, which is bouncing back, which is bouncing back. The ray which is bouncing back from the incident is known as a reflection ray. So reflection is denoted by small r. Reflection is denoted by small r. So this is the incident angle. This is the incident angle, and this is the reflection angle. Reflection angle. Okay, so this AB is a surface. AB is a surface. AB is a surface, and I is an incident. I is an incident. R is a reflection. R is a reflection. Listen, all of you carefully. Why? Because this task 2 activity is depending on this incident and reflection. Incident and reflection. Okay. Next, angle of incident. The angle of incident is a angle I, and angle of reflection is a angle R. Angle R. Okay. If you think this is a surface, AB is a surface. So AB is a surface, any surface, and it is a not transparent, opaque. Sorry. If you take that is a mirror also, we will observe incident and reflection easily from the mirror. Easily from the mirror. And already I told you, actually our image, it is an inverted image we will see. If you raise your right hand, you will get the mirror left. Why? Because we are perpendicular to the mirror. Oppositely we are standing. So that's why opposite image, inverted image we will see. So incident and reflection. So this is the AB is a surface, and I is a incident. I is a incident. R is a small r is a reflection, and Next, the line which is perpendicular to the surface is known as a normal. Is known as a normal. Now coming to our laws of reflections. The laws of reflections are two. The laws of reflections are two. The laws of reflections are two. So first one is a angle I equal to angle R. Angle I equal to angle R. If you take incident angle, 10 degrees, for example, 10 degrees, the same way reflection also we will get the same 10 degrees. So angle I equal to angle R. Next, second one is a I incident, reflection and normal. These three lie on a same surface. Same surface. Same surface. So these two are a laws of reflection. These two are a laws of reflection. Did you understand what is incident? Incident is nothing but the ray which is coming from the beam of light, where it is falls on a surface is known as a incident angle. Sorry, incident. The ray which is coming from the beam of light, where it will falls, the point is known as the incident. The reflection is from the incident part, which is a rebounds back or reback is known as a reflection. And normal, the normal always it is perpendicular to the surface. The normal always it is perpendicular to the surface. So incident angle is denoted by angle I. Reflection angle is denoted by, angle of reflection is denoted by angle R. Okay. And the laws of reflections are two. Angle I equal to angle R. And second one, incident, a reflection, normal. These three also in the same surface. These three lie or in a same surface. Now coming to our activity. See, actually in this figure, this is a tree, amma. A tree, and here it is a tree B. Okay, here M and N. M and N, it is a one surface. M and N is a surface. Okay, here one crow on surface A. One crow on a surface A. Okay, and on tree A. And here the MN is a surface. The M to N is a surface. Some grains are between the M and N. Some grains are here between the M and N surface. Some grains are between the M and N surface. Okay, so these A and B are trees. A and B are trees. Here we have to take actually the aim of the crow is this crow. If it is on A, the crow is on A, so it should pick the one grain. It should pick one grain from A to, or if you think this is a B, here I am thinking C, for example. Okay, and it should pick one grain and it should go to the B. It should go to the B. Okay, so here the crow is on A, so it should take grain on surface from the surface of M to N. Okay, and it should go to the on tree B. Okay, so here we can get that is this is the incident. This is the incident. Okay, and it is from C to B is a reflection. From C to B is a reflection. Just now we have discussed it. Incident and reflection. Okay. And the next, again, it should from A to, for example, here. If you think this is the D, and here it is a incident angle, and again it should go to near B. This is the reflection. A reflection. Okay. Now you can see a smart crow is on a tree at point A. Okay. As shown in the figure, just now we have observed some grains are on the ground between the M and N. In the crow actually wants to take a grain and reach the point B. Reach to the point B. On the other trees as early as possible. From where should the crow pick up the grain? Okay. Next, coming to the here. Here, what is incident angle? What is incident rays? Can anyone say? Are you getting me properly? Here, this is actually first, this A and B are trees. Listen properly. And MN is a surface. MN is a surface. On the surface of MN, some grains are present. Some grains are there on surface of MN. Okay. And here trees are there. Tree A and B. Tree A and B. One crow is on tree A. Okay. And that crow, it want to pick the grains. Okay. So at the time from A to C, pick the grain and it should go to the on tree B. Okay. So here we can identify. So from A to C is an incident. Again, it is reaching to the B. So that is the reflection. That is the reflection. Okay. Now, this crow actually should take the grains on surface from MN and it should select to the reach to the point B. Okay. And here we have to identify which is the shortest path to take that grain. That we have to find in this. Now you can see this figure properly. Here already AC, AD, AE and AF. Okay. Here these all are AC, AD, AE and AF. Next CB, DB, EB, FB. And as it is, MN is a surface. Now in this, which lines are incident and which lines are reflections? Can anyone say? Shashi Kumar, yes.
Madam, AC, AD, AE, and AF are reflection incident rays, ma'am.
Very good, very good.
CB, DB, EB, FB are reflection rays.
Reflection rays, very good. Very good, Shashi Kumar. Here, AC, AD, AE, and AF. These all are incident rays. Incident rays. Okay. Next, coming to the CB, DB, EB, and FB. These all are reflection rays. Reflection rays. And see the diagram properly. What is the law of reflection? First law of reflection. Can anyone say? First law of reflection. Yes, Srinidhi. Sorry, Srinidhi.
Madam, angle I is equals to angle R.
Yeah, very good.
Angle incident is equals to angle reflection.
Yes, angle I equal to angle R. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Very good. Now here, can anyone say what is the angle of incident equal to angle of reflection? AC, AD, AE, AF or angle of incidence. And CB, DB, EB, FB are angle of reflections. Okay. So in this, which is angle I equal to angle R? Can anyone say?
Madam, AC is equals to CB, I think so. Ma'am.
Yeah, very good. AC, I will write it straight. AC equal to
CB.
CB. Okay. Again, anyone?
Madam, can I tell again?
Me. Again, can anyone say? AC equal to CB. According to law of reflection, first law of reflection, angle I equal to angle R. AC equal to CB. Again, next one. Okay, can you hear me, Amma? Okay. Again, can anyone say angle I equal to angle R? Is it equal to AC equal to CB? Is it correct? AC equal to CB? AC equal to CB, is it correct? Directly you can tell that is a triangles. A, C, B and A, D, B. Next A, E, B. Next A, F, B. So in these all triangles, here we have to take which is the equal, the law of reflection, which is a correct path. For example, angle of incident is a 20 degrees. 20 degrees, the same path we have to take in the angle of reflection also. Same 20 degrees. Okay, if you take AC, if you take AC is equal to CB. Once you check, why? Because it is a very near to the M. Is it or not? So is it equal to the angle I is equal to angle or no? Then you can go to the next. You can go to the next. Here A D equal to DB. This is also you can see AD and DB. Is it also, is it middle point between the M and N? Now you can take next one. Now you can take next. AE equal to EB. AE equal to EB. Here near E. AE equal to EB. So this is the angle I equal to angle R. If you take AF and FB. So this F point is near the M, near the N. So that's why this is not I equal to R, and this is also near C also it is I is not equal to R. And here near D also I is not equal to R. Near F, sorry, near E is I equal to R. Angle I equal to angle R. Now coming here, coming to this diagram, see properly. If you place one mirror or duplicate the rays, if you see the duplicate rays, so from surface MN, see here AC is equal to CB. The same way AC is equal to the CG. If you see these all rays in the mirror, so we will observe that is a duplicate rays. AC, I will write here, AC is equal to CG and AD is equal to DG and AE is equal to EG and AF is equal to FG. Okay, these are the at a point G, these are the duplicate rays. Next, length of the path ADB is equal to length of the path is ADG is length of the path is ADB is equal to ADG and AEB is equal to AEG and AFB is equal to AFG. See here, this AC, this A to C, ACG is equal to ACB. Next, ADG is equal to ADB. Next, AEG is equal to AEB. Okay. Next, AFG is equal to AFB. Okay. Here these all rays or a duplicate rays. Okay. Instead of from CB, DB, EB, FG, is equal to the CG, DG, EG, FG. Okay. So from this all actually this is a very near the M and this F is a very near the N. So this is not a middle point. And this D also it is near the C. So near the M. So which is a I equal to angle I equal to angle R is a AC is equal to the, this is the incident and this is the reflection angle. So if you draw one line, the perpendicular, sorry, here, if you draw one line here, the perpendicular to the surface. So this is the I and this is the R. These values are same. Near A, E is equal to EB. Okay, so that's why the law of reflection, first law of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. So with these activities, it is a proved. Now coming to the last. So from A to E is equal to the E to B. From A to E is equal to the E to B. Okay. So the crow, when it is on A, so if it will pick the grain from E point, so when it will reach to the B, so these angles are equal and angle I is equal to angle R. So this is the law of first law of reflection. First law of reflection. So all of you remember, Amma, first laws of reflections are two. First one is angle I is equal to angle R, and the second one is, it is a very, very important, incident, a reflection, and a normal. These three are the same path. Same path. Okay. These two are the laws of reflections. Okay. Next, Fermat's law. Fermat's law. Fermat is a scientist name, Amma. Scientist name. Fermat law. The light, actually the light selects shortest path to travel is known as a Fermat law. The light always it will select the which is the least time to travel. Which is the least time to travel. So light selects shortest path to travel is known as a Fermat law. Once again, see, Amma, actually M and N is a, Mn is a surface, Mn is a surface. Okay, A and B are trace, A and B are trace, Mn is a surface. Okay, between the M and N some grains are present. Between M and N is some grains are present. Okay. So one crow is on A. So actually the aim of the activity is to know about the reflection, to know laws of reflection. Okay. So this crow, it is on A. So this crow actually pick one, it will pick one grain and it should go on a B, on tree B. Okay. So this is the aim. This is the aim of this activity. So when the crow is to pick this all grains, we will get this here near C. The crow came from A to C and it picked the grain and it went to the on B, on tree B. Okay, again from A to D and again it is it should reach to the B. Again it has to take the grain near E, again it should go near the B. Okay, so like this the crow pick the grains on C, D, E and F. Okay, here these all are incident rays from A to on surface Mn. The curve, when it is reached to the from A to on surface M, these all rays are incident rays. Again, when it is pick the grains after reach to the B, these rays are reflection rays. These rays are the reflection rays. Okay, so incident rays are AC, AD, AE, AF. These all rays are incident rays. Next, reflection rays are the CB, DB, EB, FB. These all are reflection rays. And here we have to select actually, we have to take actually according to the laws of reflection. First law of reflection is angle I equal to angle R. So from this surface, so which is angle I equal to angle R, which is the path to take from A to on surface Mn. Again the same path we have to observe from surface to on B. Same path we have to choose. Okay, so C is near the M. Okay, if you take F also, it is near the N. Okay, so it is not equal to the I equal to R. So here again we have to observe AD. AD is near the C. Okay, so next if you take AE, AE is an angle I and it is equal to the EB. This is the angle of reflection. So this is the path to correct AE equal to EB is an angle I equal to angle R. Next, coming to the Fermat law. So Fermat law is a very, very important amma. The light always selects the shortest path to travel is known as a Fermat law. So today's your homework is a complete task 2. Complete task 2. Sarvesh, what happened, amma? Sarvesh. Do you have any doubts again? Srinid.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any doubts again? If you have any doubts, you can ask. You can complete task 2, amma, self-assessment. Okay, have a nice day, amma. Thank you, everyone.